So guys, welcome to a new journey. So this journey is about India's number one and premium cruise, which is the Cordialer Cruises. Now the time is 3:30 a.m. So we need to board our flight at 6:45, and then we will reach Kochi by 11 o'clock. So there is one stop, which is Bangalore. So yep.
So day 1 we will fly to Kochi from Hyderabad and board the cruise. The day 2 the cruise will reach Lakshadweep. The day 3 we will be in high sea, and in day 4 morning finally we will reach Mumbai and do the local sightseeing, and in the evening we will catch our flight to Hyderabad.
So guys, we finally reached the airport and now we are waiting to board our flight. Guys, we finally reached Bangalore, and after I guess 1 hour and 20 minutes, then we will catch our flight to Kochi also.
Bye bye Bangalore, Kochi, we are arriving.
So guys, we finally reached Kochi International Airport, and now we are just waiting for a cab. We will take us to the port. So guys, now we are going to the port. So guys, you can see the cruise there, and now we just arrived at the port. Now we have a lot of process to check in. Guys, here they take your photograph. So here you can take a photograph, and here the cameraman, and these will be displayed in the cruise. If you want to buy, you can buy in the cruise only. So guys, the same process how we do in the airport. So guys, here they sanitize our bags. Guys, currently we are at deck 3, so you can see the map. Now we are going to deck 5 so that there is some process in going to Lakshadweep to clear that right away. You can see the deck 5 here, and you can see what a premium cruise. So here I guess we need to do that process. Let's do that and keep our luggage and do our lunch. This is the Cordialer Cruises, but earlier it used to be Royal Caribbean. Okay, like a cruise line. So let's see what is here. Oh, great! A ship. That's really good. Let's go forward. So guys, you can see we are finding our room, which is 8164. So this is our room, 8164. Now we are going to deck 4, which is the Starlight Restaurant. So we'll have our lunch there. After that we'll explore the ship.
This is the Starlight Dining Restaurant here. So guys, we are done with our lunch and I could not show what we brought because we are really tired now. Okay, then let's go to our room now. So guys, you can see 2 beds here and Mickey is upon here on the bunk bed, and here you can see another bed down. So I'll just get a clear view. So yep, you can see that's the ladder there and Mickey is sitting up.
Hi.
So guys, here you have a very beautiful dressing or makeup table, and here you get 8 water bottles. Okay, so 2 for each person, you get it per day. And here if you see, there are you get the sockets like in America, so it's the same like that. So we bought that socket converter. It is very important to bring that, otherwise you won't able to charge your devices. So here you get a landline to which by which you can connect to the reception if any queries, and here you get the shelves, so if you need anything to keep it then you can. And this is the AC temperature control, so as your choice you can just scroll this, and as you wish you can keep the temperature of the AC. So here you get a TV, and here also if you want to charge your devices you need to get that socket converter to convert it into India's socket type. And here you get a nice looking chair to sit on it, and just beside that you get a very beautiful photo of then you get 2 lamps. So here if I on this, then you get this lamp, and here also there is an LED like a reading light, so here also you get a light. The specialty of this room is this window, the ocean view. You can get a clear view of the ocean. So let me just show you. Here this is the Arabian Sea, so you can get a clear view. Guys, this is the bathroom, and if you notice a thing here, then this is US Swiss. Like in India we get a smaller one, but this is a bigger one. And here if you see, here you get a mirror, and here's the toilet, here's the wash basin, and here's the shower area. So you can see in a very tiny place these all have been set up, and you can get towels here. And if we go to the opposite side, so here this is the wardrobe, and it is the entrance, and this is the wardrobe which has life jackets, and you get a locker up there. And if you see here, these are some hangers, and here also you get a switch, US switch. But in USA there is one difference, that if we do it, it is like reverse. So if we do it up, then only it will on. If we do it down, then it is off. So guys, you can hear this sound. So this is the drill. So the
if we have to evacuate anytime. So guys, this is deck 10 here.
So this is the famous rock climbing sport that's available in this cruise, and Mimi wanted to do it on the first day itself. So you can do it as many number of times as you have, just that the slots are available as per the crowd. So luckily we got it today because everybody else is busy in the DJ. So the first time you do it, they will punch on your card. So the next time you don't have to again register and everything. So this is dinner time and we have rice, paneer, pasta, some dal. Today is a Friday, so I took these all things. In the non-veg, Mimi has fried rice, Szechuan rice, chicken and fish. In sweets, we have rabdi, then some pastry. We will try something more, but we thought let's try with rabdi first.
With this, our day 1 of the Cordillera Cruises ends here. So tomorrow it's the day 2. We will be visiting the Lakshadweep Island, the Kadmat Island in Lakshadweep. So yeah, till then, stay tuned.